12th standard English. Students, now we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. We have three types degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Positive. First one, positive. Degrees of comparison are used when we describe a person or a thing. It called as positive. Adjectives make the comparison. Remember, adjectives are describing words. For example, positive degree: fast, slow, big, small. Fast, slow, big, small, these are adjective. Positive comparison, this is used for when we only describe one person or thing. This is used for when we only describe one person or thing. It called as positive degree. For example, the house is big. What is the adjective here? Big. First we should know about it. What is the adjective? Adjectives describe a noun. Okay, so degrees of comparison, when you are learning the degrees of comparison, adjectives just we have to identify that whether it is positive or comparative or superlative. Okay, big is positive degree, that is adjective. The boy is fast on his bicycle. Fast, positive, adjective here. Okay, this is positive degree. That girl is smart. Smart is positive degree. Okay, that adjective. The radio was loud. What is the adjective? Loud. The radio was loud. Activity: write 4 sentences using the positive degree of comparison. Use the words on the board. Degrees of comparison. Second one is comparative. This is when we compare two people or things to each other. We compare two people or things to each other. That is comparative degree. Rule: add er to the adjective. Fast, faster. Slow, slower. Big, bigger. Small, smaller. Tall, taller. Okay, fast without er. So normal one adjective, it called as positive. The comparative degree er. Add er to the adjective. Faster, slow, slower, big, bigger, small, smaller, tall, taller. I am tall. For example, I am tall, that positive degree. He is taller, taller, er. So that is comparative degree. Examples: the house is big, but my house is bigger. The house is big, but my house is bigger. My house is bigger than that house. Okay, so that's compare to person or things. It called as comparative degree. For example, the boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. Faster, comparative degree. The radio was loud, but the TV was louder. So what is the adjective? Loud, positive. Louder, comparative degree. For example, painful, positive degree. More painful, comparative degree. Hopeful, more hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive, more expensive. Adjectives ending in full or e we use more. Adjectives ending in full or e we use more. More, it belongs to comparative degree. Exceptions to the rule: good, better. Good, adjective, that positive. Better, comparative degree. Bad, positive. Worse, comparative. Many, much, positive. More, comparative. Little, few, positive. Less, comparative. Far, farther, further, comparative. Old, older, elder. So that's comparative degree. Activity: animal cards game. The rules: 3 players. Divide the cards equally between the players. Each player has a pile of cards face down on the table. All players look at the top card but keep it secret. Player 1 starts. For example, how to play: player 1 chooses a category to compare: speed, intelligence, strength. Player 2 and 3rd turn over their cards. The first person to compare the animals. The fastest gets to keep both cards. The winner also gets to choose the next category. Person with the most cards wins. Next, superlative degree. What is the superlative degree? Used when comparing more than two people or things. It called as superlative degree. Rule: add est to the adjective. Fast, faster, fastest. Er, est. So er, it belongs to comparative. The end of the adjective est, it called as superlative. Fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. Est. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Est. Tall, taller, tallest. Est. So er, it belongs to comparative. Est, superlative, tallest. For example, he was the fastest in the bicycle race. Fastest, est. That's superlative degree. She was the smartest girl in the class. She was the smartest. What is the adjective? Smart. So here smartest, est. Add est to the adjective. Okay, so it called as superlative degree. She was the smartest girl in the class. The biggest house on the block was for sale. Biggest, superlative. The slowest computer in the class belonged to Miss Brockway. Slowest, superlative degree. Superman was the strongest and fastest of all the superheroes, but Spider-Man was the most flexible. Fastest, strongest, and most flexible. So these are superlative degree. For example, painful, positive, more painful, comparative degree, most painful, superlative degree. More, it belongs to comparative degree, and most, it belongs to superlative degree. Hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Flexible, more flexible, most flexible. Adjectives ending in full or we use most. Adjectives ending in full or e, we use most. Most, it belongs to superlative degree. Exceptions to the rule: good, better, best. Good, positive, better, comparative degree, best, superlative. Bad, positive, worst, comparative, worst, superlative. Many and much, positive. More, comparative, most, superlative. Little, few, positive. Less, comparative, least, superlative degree. Identify the degree. Just we have to identify that whether it is positive or comparative or superlative. The lion is a strong animal. Strong, we can use that positive degree. Rachel is the kindest of all. Kindest, est, superlative degree. The apple is sweeter than the pear. Comparative, sweeter, er. So comparative degree. It is a tall building. Tall, positive. Facilitator Anthea had the most wonderful birthday cake. Most wonderful. So that superlative degree. Most, it belongs to superlative. More, it belongs to comparative degree. Okay, next here just we have to recall that what is the positive, what is the comparative, what is the superlative. Positive degree to compare people, place or things that are equal in some way. It called as positive. For example, Ravi is as tall as Rahim. Ravi is as tall as Rahim. Next, comparative degree to emphasize one above the other. Ganesh is taller than others. For example, Ganesh is taller than others. Superlative degree to emphasize one above most and all others. Ganesh is the tallest of all. Tallest, est. So here we can use the end of the adjectives est, so we can use that superlative. Ganesh is the tallest, est, so that's superlative degree. For example, type 1, positive to comparative. How will you change? Rahim is as great as Arun. As, so that is first type, positive degree. So now we want to change comparative. Arun is not greater than Rahim. So great on adjective, so great change into greater, so that is comparative degree. Not greater than Rahim. A donkey is not so strong as horse. A donkey is not so strong as horse, that is positive degree. A horse is stronger than a donkey, that's comparative degree. So next, comparative to positive, how will you change? Chennai is not hotter than Trichy. Not hotter, so now we want to change positive degree. Trichy is as hot as Chennai. Next, one more example. Gold is heavier than iron, comparative degree. So now we want to change here positive. Iron is not so heavy as gold. What is the adjective? Heavy, heavier. Heavy, that positive, heavier, comparative. Okay, so here first type there is no superlative. First type there is no superlative degree. Next, we have to recall that the tableau column positive, comparative, superlative. First step as adjective as a not so adjective as, that is first type positive degree. Comparative not er than, otherwise er than, so that is comparative first type. Superlative, there is no superlative degree first type. Next, second type no other, so adjective as, so that is positive degree second type. Next, comparative degree er than any other, Next, superlative degree the est, okay, the tallest, the greatest. Okay, next, third type very few, the beginning of the sentence no other, very few, that positive degree. Okay, here no other, second type what you have learned, no, so that's beginning of the sentence we can identify that no other. So here same positive degree third type also very few, and as adjective as. Comparative degree er than many other, what did you learn? Second type comparative er than any other, here than many other. Superlative degree one of the dash est, one of the tallest, one of the greatest. Okay, so we can use that. Okay, through this tableau column we can easily identify that, we can easily change from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. Okay, second type, just for example, positive degree to comparative degree. No other island is so big as Australia. Australia is bigger than any other island because no other. Where did you learn? Second type positive degree, no other. So here you want to change comparative degree. Australia is bigger than any other island. Then comparative to positive, Australia is bigger than any other island. Comparative to positive, Australia is bigger than any other island. This is comparative. Want to change positive. No other island is so big as Australia. So we can change from positive to comparative and comparative to positive. So one more example, positive to superlative. No other leader is so great as Gandhi. No other. So this is second type positive degree. Want to change superlative. Gandhi is the greatest leader. The est. Where did you learn the tableau column? Second type superlative. There is no superlative first type. Okay, we know that. Next, comparative to superlative. Asia is larger than any other continent. Comparative. So want to change superlative. Asia is the largest continent. The est. So that is second type. Students, I hope you all understood through these examples and tableau columns everything we have learned. Okay, thank you.